Who is it? Should I go get him?
Where's it on the list? Where's it on the list? What number?
Okay.
It was just bypass,
And
here.
Terra Luna's here? Okay. Is that Jenny? No? I don't know. Jenny? Okay. No, I just want to make sure you're here. Okay, good. Hello. I know. Are we missing anyone? Okay. We have to wait till 5:30? Okay. Okay. I left the baby with my dad. It's the first time. Yeah, it's the first time he gets to babysit her. I left and I could see it in his face, like, you're really, in my head I'm like, yo, you helped raise me, like, you're fine.
Probably the baby's not small.
No, no, no. She can even say now when she has to use the bathroom.
Huh?
She can say when she has to use the bathroom.
That's good.
So he just has to.
About a year and 20 months, 2 months.
21 months. She's almost 2. Yeah, so it's about time. But she knows. It's so funny. She likes to say bye to her.
I won't touch that one.
Oh my gosh, this kid. Hello. Ay, ay, ay.
Is there a vacation? Chief, if they have a deputy chief.
Okay, let's begin. Good evening, everyone. Please rise for the pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Thank you all. Welcome to the Lawrence Licensing Board meeting. Let's go through roll call, please.
Thank you, Commissioner Morales, and welcome everyone to Licensing Board meeting on July 23rd. Present here are the Commissioners, Lear,
Here.
Commissioner Morales,
Here.
and the officials, Lieutenant William Rivieri and Elvis Frias.
Here.
Thank you all for coming. Meeting started.
Thank you. I'd like to make a motion to approve the minutes for July 9th, 2025.
I'll second that.
Commissioner Morales made a motion to approve the minutes for July 9th, second by Commissioner Morales. Commissioner Lear, Commissioner Morales, how do you vote?
Yes.
Commissioner Lear, how do you vote?
Yes.
Minutes approved. Thank you.
We don't have old business for this meeting. We do have 2 tabled matters, but what I'll do is that I'll go through the order in which the agenda is set for today. So for new business, the first item on the agenda is Shop Car Sales LLC. I have a violation. Hello, how are you?
Hi, good evening.
Good evening. Could you please tell me a little bit about this complaint, if you're aware of?
Yes, I think one of my neighbors saw that one of my customers, I believe, I'm not sure, if it was one of my customers that double parked on Jamaica Street. I try to be very cordial with all my neighbors, very respectful and responsible as well.
Yes.
I do not know what day that happened, but I would address it immediately.
Okay, thank you. And for the record, you're Miguel Gomez?
Yes,
Okay, great.
yes, Commissioner.
I do remember this, and I'll pass it over to Commissioner Mike Laird if he has any questions. Thank you.
Thank you.
I'm just gonna talk about the complaint. On July 7th, we received a complaint about parked cars, unregistered motor vehicles on the street. The lot was dirty. Parking on Jamaica Street, and also you didn't have any insurance for this year. I will address the insurance part real quick. His insurance, when he registered at the beginning of the year, was good until April of '25. He did the automatic renewal. When he did the automatic renewal, it just didn't get a copy down here in time, or didn't get transmitted, copied down here. And he does have insurance, so those complaints are gone as far as that. As far as parking on the street, when I got there on the first day, he had 2 cars out in the street. One was a car on South Union Street with no plates on it. The other one was a truck on Jamaica Street. The reason the truck there was with no plates, because he just got off a tow truck, and he was gonna put it in the lot. The car out on South Union Street with no plates on it, a customer's coming to test drive it, he was gonna put a plate on it so they could test drive it. The customer did show up when I was there. As far as other items on the street, there was a couple of barrels that had to be moved, and stuff. He removed them, and I went by about 7 or 8 times and stopped and spoke to the guy 4 or 5 times. And each time, the lot was cleaned, items were picked up and moved out of the way. The parking on Jamaica Street, on the other side of the street, if I can show you here, people's complaining about that. He has 1 car parked there. The other cars belong to the tenants, and there's no sign saying you can't park there. The cars that are parked there are the tenants and people from the bagel company. If the city of Lawrence wants to enforce cars over there, they ought to put a sign up there saying no parking. I don't see no violation there. The guy's running a clean business, and any problem I had, I went over there and talked to him. He handled everything perfect like a gentleman and no problems.
Great. Thank you. Thank you, Commissioner Laird. We also spoke, I think, last week with Officer Cano. No, I know we did, and I think he probably went and visited your location as well. No complaints there, so just thank you for your willingness to receive the complaint and be cooperative with us as we did our work. I'll pass it over to Lieutenant, sorry.
Also, I received a letter from Inspector LaFrance today, that all the violations have been taken care of, these are.
Great, thank you. Thank you. I'll pass it over to Lieutenant Olivieri.
So I spoke to Officer Cano. All violations that were in question have been resolved, so I have no questions.
Great, thank you. Lieutenant Frias?
I actually passed by the business earlier today and had a conversation with the gentleman. From the pictures that were shown in the incident, everything seems to be addressed. It was a clean lot from my point of view. And he seemed receptive to everything I said. So if you need anything from the fire department, feel free to reach out.
Absolutely.
Yes,
Thank you.
thank you. And just to give you some history behind why we're making sure that we are up to code, we do have a ton of issues in the city with car lots and car dealers, and we just want to make sure that folks are up to code and are doing what they can do for the residents, but as well for their business to thrive. You are in a highly residential area, which I'm sure you know, and that business has been there for a very, very long time. And so I just want you all to be successful and to use this as a resource. And thank you for, again, just being responsive to us. And that's all.
Yeah, I appreciate the work you guys do. Thank you so much for your help.
I make a motion that we dismiss this as no complaints.
I second the motion.
Commissioner Lear made a motion to not found any violation, and second by Commissioner Morales. Commissioner Lear, how do you vote?
Yes,
Commissioner Morales, how do you vote?
Yes.
You are free to go, you clean too. I got a letter
Thank you.
from Michael LaFrance also.
Thank you. I
All right,
appreciate
good
your
luck.
time.
Thank
Take
you
care.
so much.
Thank you.
I'll see you. The next item on the agenda, we have Natalia Restaurant Corporation is applying for a Section 12 restaurant, all alcohol beverages on Jackson Street. Hi, could you please state your name for the record?
Sure. Good evening, Commissioners. My name is Attorney Patrick McDonald. I maintain a law office at 479 Eastern Avenue in Malden, and I represent the petitioner in this matter, Natalia Restaurant Corp., which does business as Natalia's Restaurant and Grill at 72 Jackson Street here in Lawrence. This is a petition for a Section 12 all alcohol restaurant license at that location. It is currently an unlicensed application, and my client is seeking to be able to serve alcohol as part of his restaurant business. The applicant, Natalia Restaurant Corp., is a Massachusetts corporation formed in 2023, of which my client, Mr. Ariel Alarcon Duarte, is the sole officer, director, and shareholder. His restaurant occupies that space pursuant to lease. It's a approximately 1,500 square foot establishment with seating for 50, most of which is table seating, but there is a very small, I guess you'd call it a bar area with 6 seats at it, but it's primarily table seating in the establishment. And it's not a bar room or a bar, it's a restaurant that has a very small bar area. As I said, Mr. Alarcon is the proposed manager, liquor license manager. I want to bring to the Commission's attention an error on the application, specifically on the manager application part of it, and more specifically in the area where the experience of the proposed manager is identified for the benefit of the board and ABCC. This error was mine, by the way, not Mr. Alarcon's, but with respect to his experience, you see a reference to him owning and operating an excavation company, which he did for many years, his own excavation company, but more relevant experience on the form as it is now suggests he was a night manager at an establishment called Bruno's in Lynn, and that was an error on my part. He was not a night manager at Bruno's in Lynn, although there is a Bruno's in Lynn. I confused him while filling this out with another party. His experience, though, is frankly, in my opinion, better than that. He was the liquor license manager of his own restaurant located in Malden. It was called Mexal at the time. That was from 2018 to 2022. So he has 4 years' experience as a liquor license manager at another restaurant that he owned in Malden, which he sold in 2022, and then after which he came up here to Lawrence to open up Natalia's. So with the indulgence of the board, I'd like to be able to amend or replace that page of the application so that it correctly reflects his, regardless of the board's action on this petition, I want the materials to be correct, factually correct, and I would need to change that page. I can, whatever the board's preference is, I can get a revised page typed up and scanned and sent up here tomorrow, as soon as tomorrow morning, if that's permissible.
Yeah, definitely.
All right,
That's fine.
thank you.
Great.
And that's about it. Mr. Alarcon Duarte is here. If the board has any questions of him, I'm certainly willing to answer it. But he's an experienced restaurateur. He's an experienced liquor license manager. To my knowledge, there are no issues with the operation of Natalia's presently down at 72 Jackson Street, and he'd like to expand his business to some extent by having the ability to serve alcohol at his new restaurant. And we ask the board to act favorably on the petition.
Great. Thank you. I don't have any question or cite the second. I'll pass it over to Commissioner Laird.
I'm familiar with the restaurant, it's been there for a number of years. It's a clean restaurant, we don't have any problems with the restaurant. I see the picture, it's exactly what it's supposed to look like, a restaurant. I'm just hoping that he keeps it that way and doesn't open it to a dance club or anything like that. It's kind of small for it, but that's,
It doesn't lend itself to anything really other than a modest restaurant establishment, so.
well, I have no problem with granting this thing when if we come to a vote. Make sure you get that thing
Fixed.
fixed and also get a copy of the liquor laws from the city
Sure.
ordinance, okay?
Al, if I may also have the affidavit regarding the certified mailings and publication, if I.
Great. We
Uh,
have-
You don't have the, would you like the green cards, or?
No, you can
Oh.
put it up, you can put it up in the system. I will upload and send it over to the system.
Okay, very good. Thank you.
Thank you. Lieutenant Olivieri?
So the address doesn't ring a bell as far as any issues in the past or anything like that, so I have no questions. Good luck.
Great, thank you. Lieutenant Frias?
I have no questions. I did an inspection of the business and everything seemed clean and up to code by my part, so best of luck.
Thank you.
I just see the seating capacity here set for 50. I hope that your business is thriving. Please do not have more than 50 patrons in your business. We have had situations where we've had almost triple the amount of folks that are allowed in a space to be in spaces. And so we just don't want that to be the case. But I wish you guys all the luck.
Thank you.
Great. Go ahead, Mike.
Just before I say anything, any renovations you're gonna do to the restaurant from now on, if you get the liquor license, you have to notify us first. If you change the capacity here and there, you have to come and notify us first. That's all I have. I'm gonna make a motion, we approve this.
I'll second the motion.
Commissioner Lea made a motion to approve a full liquor license for Natalia Restaurant Corp. 27274 Jackson Street, second by Commissioner Morales. Commissioner Lea, how do you vote?
Yes,
Commissioner Morales, how do you vote?
Yes.
Motion passed. Congratulations. I'll be waiting for the new page.
Mhm.
You're gonna change in the application?
I will get that to you tomorrow,
Yeah.
as early in the morning, well, forgive me, I have court first thing in the morning, so it would have to be probably later in the morning or early afternoon, but tomorrow at some point you will get that from me, Mr. Lopez.
As soon as we get that, I will send it over to the ABCC.
Excellent, thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Great. The next item on the agenda, we have Terra Luna, who's applying for a temporary outdoor patio permit.
Hello,
Hello, how are
my name
you?
is Jenny. I'm great, thanks.
Good. We have the application since the last licensing board meeting. We don't have any concerns. We just wanted to make sure you are up to date with the patio arrangements.
Okay.
So Commissioner, do you have any questions?
I have no question.
We don't have questions. We needed you to be here so we can approve this.
Thank you so much.
Lieutenant Olivieri?
I have no questions.
Lieutenant Frias?
No questions.
Great. Commissioner Laird?
I make a motion, we pass, approve it.
I'll second the motion.
Commissioner Lea made a motion to approve a patio extension for the Herman Cafe, 225 Exit Street, second by Commissioner Morales. Commissioner Lea, how do you vote?
Yes.
Yes.
Morales, how do you vote?
Yes, sorry.
Motion passed.
Yeah.
And it's gonna be up to October. Okay?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah, and then just make sure that if you all have any questions about the dates, that you guys renew it every summer, and, yeah,
Okay.
okay.
I'll ask.
It's going to pass Friday to see the measurements that you have, if everything is fine, okay?
Great.
Okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you, I'll see you. Okay. The next item, we have Bani, no, Peravia, who's applying for a patio extension.
Buenas noches.
Buenas noches, ¿cómo están?
Bien, ¿y ustedes?
Muy bien, muy bien. Lo mismo que acabamos de hacer con Terra Luna, ¿esta es la primera vez que ustedes aplican por una extensión de patio?
Sí.
Okay, I just asked her if this is the first time that they apply for a patio extension. She said yes. ¿Ustedes tienen algunas preguntas para nosotros a cabo a esa aplicación? Oh,
No, por el momento, solamente qué tiempo dura y
um,
las reglas las estaba leyendo.
Okay, and I just asked her if she has any questions about this application. The only question she has is the hours that she's allowed to actually use this patio space. But in terms of the regulations, that she's been reading them and she's up to date with it. Commissioner Laird?
Yes, that was gonna be one of my questions, the hours, 'cause I know the St. Alfio's is over there, and I don't want it out 3 o'clock in the morning to be out there. So what's the rules?
Sí, él estaba diciendo que esa es una de sus preguntas porque sabemos que tienen aquí hasta las 3 de la mañana, pero no sé si lo podemos permitir hasta esa hora. Durante el festival lo pueden, ustedes saben que ellos tienen el festival,
De lo italiano.
ajá. So, durante este tiempo, si el departamento de policía lo aprueba, ustedes pueden estar abiertos hasta esa hora.
Ok.
Pero las horas regulares son aquí hasta las 1, ¿no? Y no música afuera.
No.
No.
En realidad, el permiso lo tenemos hasta las 3 de la mañana, pero nuestro horario de domingo a jueves es hasta las 11 de la noche. Y viernes y sábados es que estamos el viernes hasta las 3 y el sábado hasta las 2.
Okay, so she's just reviewing that with the permit they have, their hours are Sunday to Thursday, 8 a.m. to 1 a.m. And then Friday evenings are the only evening they have from 8 a.m. till 3 a.m.
Yeah, like I said, I have no objections to that. My issue would be that if it gets too loud at that time in the morning, it's gonna affect the people that say Alfio's, they will complain. So I would just say, keep it under control, and if people say the Alfio's complain, then we'll have to address it.
Okay. No van a tener música.
Ni tampoco bebida tiene, no me
Okay.
comida.
He's saying that. Okay.
I'm not talking about music, I'm talking about people sitting there getting too loud, eating and joking around or fighting, you know.
¿Ustedes entendieron eso? Sí. Okay, good. She got it. Lieutenant Olivieri?
So I have the same concerns as Commissioner Laird, as far as loud noise, the elderly building across the street. So as long as you guys maintain your order and there's no issues, then, good luck to you guys.
So asegúrense que cuando la gente estén afuera, especialmente durante el verano, ya después de las 10 de la noche, si están en chelcha feliz, asegúrense que entre para que esos viejitos que viven adelante, los ancianos, no se quejen, porque ustedes saben que se quejan mucho y nosotros queremos que le vaya bien, un éxito en su negocio.
Gracias.
Si ustedes cogen y le dicen, la chelcha la tiene que entrar, pero...
Ok.
Okay. Lieutenant Frias?
I have no questions.
Okay. I'd like to make a motion to approve this applicant.
I'll second it.
Commissioner Morales made a motion to approve the patio extension for Peravia Restaurant and 64 Common Street, second by Commissioner Laird. Commissioner Morales, how do you vote?
Yes.
Commissioner Laird, how do you vote?
Yes.
Motion passed. Congratulations.
Thank you.
Okay. Suerte.
Gracias.
¿Podemos venir mañana, Antonio, para el permiso?
Yes. Okay, the next item on the agenda, we have Mujeres Despechadas. Oh, this sounds like fun. They're applying for a one-day wine and beer license at 420 Common Street. Okay, go ahead, Rosa.
Hola,
Hello.
Rosa More, manager de Deli More.
Okay.
Sí, somos un grupo de mujeres y pues nos queremos reunir pues el fin de semana y liberar un poco el estrés cantando.
Yes, so we're a group of women. We want to get together to relieve some stress and sing at karaoke night, and that's why she's applying for wine and malt. We have approved your business before, right? For wine and malt. You were at the Revolving Door Kitchen, no?
Sí.
Sí.
Yeah.
Yeah. Did you move?
Los invito por allá, Revolver Kitchen, sí.
Sí, so you moved from there? ¿O sigue ahí?
Sí, sigo ahí,
okay.
claro.
Okay, great, okay. Yeah, we've approved her before for, I don't have any concerns. Commissioner Laird?
My only concern is that you purchased the alcohol from a beer distributor, not from a liquor store, okay?
Asegúrate que el alcohol lo estén comprando de un distribuidor de alcohol,
Ok.
no de una...
No de una licor.
Ajá.
Sí, ok.
Okay, great. Lieutenant Olivieri? Oh, sorry.
Not as you get, as soon as you get the license from them, you can order it from the liquor, from the distributor, okay?
Yeah.
When do you get, when will the license be available?
Tomorrow.
Pick up the license tomorrow and then you can order it,
sí.
okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
Lieutenant Olivieri?
No questions. Good luck.
Lieutenant Frias?
No questions.
Great. I'd like to make a motion to approve this one-day wine and malt license.
I'll second it.
Commissioner Morales made a motion to approve one-day alcohol license, wine and beer for 420 Common Street, Deli Moore, for Mujeres Despechadas, second by Commissioner Laird. Commissioner Morales, how do you vote?
Good.
Commissioner
Yes.
Laird, how do you vote?
Yes.
Motion passed. Congratulations
Sí.
and good luck.
Thank you. Gracias.
Te queda muy lindo el pelo así. I love it. Yo casi no te reconocí.
Fue un proceso
It looks beautiful.
para las canas.
Yeah,
Y bueno, ya estoy feliz.
it looks beautiful. Nos vemos. I'd like to make a motion to adjourn this meeting. The next meeting is taking place August 6, 2025 at 5:30.
I'll second that motion.
Commissioner Morales made a motion to adjourn the meeting, second by Commissioner Laird. Commissioner Morales, how do you vote?
Yes.
Commissioner Laird, how do you vote?
Yes.
Motion passed, meeting adjourned. Thank you very much and see you on August 6th, 5:30 p.m. Thank you for your help.
Yes. This was a fun meeting. It was good. Mike, I'll see you.